Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we bring you the latest and most crucial updates in the crypto world. Today's focus is on a major topic that has everyone in the crypto community talking XRP's potential 15% crash. Yes, you heard that right. The digital asset is facing intense downward pressure amid several controversies, particularly within the Ripple community. On top of that, Bitcoin's recent slide below $57K has added more fuel to the fire. Is this the end of XRP's bullish momentum, or are we merely witnessing a temporary setback? Stick around as we break down all the details from the latest price action to the internal conflicts at Ripple that could be setting the stage for this possible crash. XRP has been on a roller coaster ride recently, and the latest drop below a critical support level is raising alarms across the board. On September 3rd, just as Bitcoin dipped below the $57,000 mark, XRP followed suit, abandoning a planned rally that many were optimistic about. The timing couldn't have been worse for XRP, which was already navigating turbulent waters due to controversies brewing within its own community. Bitcoin's dip undoubtedly played a role, dragging down the entire market with it, but XRP's struggles are also deeply rooted in internal conflicts within the Ripple community. But specifically, there's a heated debate over the proposed launch of a new sidechain in 2025 by the XRP Ledger XRPL core development team. While some see this as a progressive step forward, others are worried it could undermine existing projects, particularly XAO, a fully functional XRPL sidechain that has been in the works for a significant amount of time. Let's delve deeper into the controversy that's gripping the Ripple community. At the center of this storm is XAO, an XRPL sidechain project led by developer Wind. Unlike many blockchain projects that exist only as ideas or prototypes, XAO is a fully operational sidechain with integrated smart contracts known as hooks. These hooks are not just theoretical concepts, they are live, functioning elements of the network that have been in development for quite some time. Wind, the lead developer, has been quite vocal about his frustration with Ripple's recent actions. He argues that Ripple's newfound focus on L1 smart contracts, a concept he championed years ago, is a slap in the face to developers who have been tirelessly working on similar projects like XAO. In an open letter to the XRPL ecosystem and its stakeholders, Wind didn't mince words. He made it clear that the proposed new sidechain is not just another idea but a direct competitor to what XAO already offers. This has led to a significant split within the Ripple community. On one side, you have those who support Wind and believe that Ripple's latest move undermines the efforts of developers who have been the backbone of the XRPL. On the other side, there are those who see Ripple's broader vision as necessary for the long-term success and scalability of the XRPL. This divide is not just a minor disagreement, it's a fundamental clash of visions for the future of XRP and its ecosystem. Ripple's Chief Technology Officer, David Schwartz, responded to the growing concerns, stating that Ripplex has been in constant communication with the XAO team and was fully aware of their plans. However, this response has done little to quell the unrest. The community remains deeply divided, with each side holding firm to their respective positions. As this controversy unfolds, XRP's price has been anything but stable. In the past 24 hours alone, XRP has seen a 2.8% drop, bringing its trading price down to $0.5510. This decline is particularly concerning given the broader market conditions, where Bitcoin's drop below $57K has already spooked investors. But what's more telling is the market sentiment as reflected in trading data. According to CoinLast, there has been an overwhelming amount of short positions on XRP over the last 30 days, far outweighing long positions. This imbalance is a clear indication of the bearish sentiment currently dominating the market. Traders are expecting further downside, and the numbers back that up. So what's driving this bearish outlook? Beyond the internal conflicts within Ripple, there's also the technical side of things. XRP has been in a downtrend marked by a sharp decline from recent highs, followed by a period of consolidation. This consolidation pattern is forming what technical analysts refer to as a bearish flag, a pattern that usually signals a continuation of the downtrend after a brief pause. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of XRP's price action from a technical perspective. As mentioned earlier, XRP is currently in a bearish trend. This trend began with a sharp decline from recent highs, which was then followed by a consolidation phase. The consolidation is what's forming the bearish flag pattern, a technical pattern that traders watch closely as it often precedes a further downward move. In this case, the bearish flag suggests that XRP could be on the verge of another leg down. The key levels to watch are crucial. Currently, XRP is hovering just above a support level at $0.5326. If the price breaks below this level, it would confirm the bearish flag pattern, likely triggering a further drop. The target for this drop would be around $0.47, which is calculated by projecting the height of the flagpole downward from the breakout point. However, the bearish scenario isn't set in stone. Technical analysis is not always 100% predictive, and there's always the possibility of a false breakout. If XRP manages to defy the odds and breaks to the upside, it could invalidate the bearish thesis. In this more optimistic scenario, XRP could rally back to the $0.62 mark, which would be the next resistance level to watch. This is why it's crucial to keep an eye on these levels. A break above $0.5600, which marks the top of the current consolidation range and aligns with the upper boundary of the bear flag pattern, could signal a reversal. If this happens, XRP might not only recover, but also set the stage for a new bullish phase. While technical analysis provides insights into potential price movements, it's equally important to consider the underlying factors driving market sentiment. The ongoing debate within the Ripple community is not just about the introduction of a new sidechain, it's about the future direction of XRP and its ecosystem. Ripple's decision to introduce a new sidechain in 2025 is seen by some as a necessary evolution to keep up with the rapidly changing blockchain landscape. After all, competition in the blockchain space is fierce, and Ripple's broader vision could drive innovation and adoption, ultimately benefiting XRP in the long run. This perspective argues that to remain competitive, the XRPL must evolve, and new sidechains are a part of that evolution. However, not everyone is on board with this vision. Developers like Wheatswin feel that Ripple's move could sideline existing projects that have already proven their value. For them, the introduction of a new sidechain is not just an upgrade, it's a direct challenge to the work they've done so far. This feeling of betrayal is not just about technology, it's about trust and the relationships that have been built within the community. The question now is whether the Ripple community can reconcile these differences. If they can, XRP could emerge stronger with a more unified vision that benefits all stakeholders. But if the divide deepens, it could have lasting negative effects on XRP's price and its market performance. FUD is a powerful force in the crypto market. It can cause panic selling, drive prices down, and make recovery that much more difficult. In the case of XRP, the combination of technical bearish signals and the internal conflict at Ripple is creating a perfect storm for FUD. Traders are wary, and that wariness is reflected in the overwhelming number of short positions on XRP. As we look ahead, there are several potential scenarios that could play out for XRP. The most immediate concern is whether XRP will break below the $0.5326 support level. If this happens, the bearish flag pattern would be confirmed, likely leading to a 15% drop to around $0.47. This scenario would align with the overwhelming bearish sentiment currently dominating the market. On the other hand, if XRP manages to hold above the support level and even breaks to the upside, it could invalidate the bearish thesis. In this case, XRP could rally back to $0.62 or even higher, depending on how the market reacts to any new developments within the Ripple community. In conclusion, XRP is at a crossroads. The next few weeks will be critical in determining its future direction. With key support levels being tested and internal conflicts within the Ripple community adding to the uncertainty, XRP's price could go either way. As always in the crypto world, it's essential to stay informed and make decisions based on a comprehensive understanding of the situation. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not financial advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and it's essential to conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Zachy Crypto Update is not responsible for any financial losses you may incur. Thank you for watching Zachy Crypto Update. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more in-depth crypto analysis. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Where do you think XRP's price is headed next?